If you're seeing a Facebook query error when trying to send a friend request, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step solution to get Facebook working again, so you can send friend requests without that annoying error popping up. Before we get into the fix, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's start with the first and easiest fix. Refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard, or if you're on mobile, close the page and open Facebook again. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple refresh can clear whatever glitch is stopping the request from going through. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail when loading profiles or sending friend requests. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or reconnecting to your network and testing again. If other websites are loading slowly too, then your connection may be the real problem. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores old files that can interfere with Facebook and cause errors like this. To do that, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images and files. After that, restart your browser and sign back into Facebook. Once you've done those steps, go back and try the friend request again. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve the problem right away. If it works, great, you're all set. If it doesn't, the issue may be related to Facebook's own temporary restrictions or a browser extension interfering with the site, so you may want to test Facebook in another browser or on the Facebook app. The main thing is to go step by step. Refresh first, confirm your internet connection, and then clear your browser cache. Those are the fastest and safest ways to deal with a Facebook query error when sending friend requests. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.